If you want to create a new iCloud account on iPhone, first you need to know this thing. Here you can see your Apple ID is mostly about who you are and ways to manage your account, while the iCloud account is all about storing your data and keeping it in sync. So basically, your Apple ID is the original account. Your iCloud account is within the Apple account. It only used to store data and sync the files. So you can't create a separate iCloud account. If you want to create a new iCloud account, so that means basically you need to create a new Apple account. But you can create a new iCloud email. You can't create a separate account, but you can create a new iCloud email with the domain name iCloud.com. Before that, if you want to create a new Apple account on old iPhone means, watch this video. I will explain everything. Let's see how to create a new iCloud email on your iPhone. Just minimize this and open Settings app and open your iCloud and click iCloud. Now here you can see iCloud email. On iOS 18 or later version, you can see that on different type of view, but it's the same thing. You just need to click iCloud Mail and turn on this toggle button and click Create. Now just enter the email address you want to create. Just type. Here you can see new email address dailydoubts2@icloud.com. So if you click done, that's it. Your new iCloud email was created. For me, I already created an iCloud account. So this is how you need to create a new iCloud email on your iPhone. If you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch these videos.